He's not gonna do anything to you. Look at him.
But
He's not
I'm
gonna get out.
scared.
He's not gonna get out.
If you can fix it that I can see her for a minute, I'll give you $50.
You don't have $50.
Will you?
Let's see it. I don't believe you.
Here. I'll do it for 100, please. Will you?
Just a minute. I wouldn't even let you see her for $1,000. You think you can take advantage of me like you do with everybody else, but you'll find different. I give you 10 seconds to put that cup down.
Chelsea, tell me when 10 seconds is up.
It's your fault. You pushed me. No, stop that.
I was only brushing off the fact that you trust.
No, get your nasty hands off me.
Alright, stay mad! Get wet! Go home, Calvin!
Get it over with.
Sometimes when I do this, I feel like I'm taking something that's rightfully yours. If you wanted me to, I would swallow my pride and accept this check.
What would be the good of accepting them now if we've been destroying them for 15 years? If we start now, we would have lost $50,000. You're not in the poorhouse yet.
Yes. We Bascoms don't need charity from anyone, especially that of a fallen woman.
If we start now, we would have lost $50,000. You're not in the poorhouse yet. You're not in the poorhouse yet.
Yes. We Bascoms don't need charity from anyone, especially that of a— What the hell?! Yes. We Bascoms don't need charity from anyone, especially that of a lowly woman.
Chelsea, tell me when 10 seconds is up.
What would be the good of destroying them now? Shit. What's the good of destroying them now if we've been— I'm sorry. You think you can take advantage of me like you do with everybody else, but you'll find different. Sorry. Excuse my language.